Let's learn table of 11.
Yay!
11 multiply 1 equals 11. 11 multiply 2 equals 22. 11 multiply 3 equals 33. 11 multiply 4 equals 44. 11 multiply 5 equals 55. 11 multiply 6 equals 66. 11 multiply 7 equals 77. 11 multiply 8 equals 88. 11 multiply 9 equals 99. 11 multiply 10 equals 110. Thanks for watching. Subscribe channel for next videos.